I'm Nick Steinmetz, and this is my video to become a Google Certified Trainer. I serve as a personalized learning partner for public schools in Colorado, have over 14 years of experience in public education supporting the integration of technology and the development and support of one-to-one programs. So why do I want to become a Google Certified Trainer? Because I'm not just googly, I'm Googleicious. What is Googleiciousness? It's about providing access to the tools and resources so that all learners can connect and collaborate globally. It's about providing personalized learning opportunities so that all learners have opportunities to learn about their passions and their interests and have engaging learning experiences. Learning should be a lifelong process which continuously challenges us to become better people, creating a better world. Connecting globally with other learners allows amazing things to happen and challenging problems to get solved. This is what I believe the Google Trainer certification and community is all about. As I continue to support educators and students in public education, being a Google Certified Trainer will empower me to advocate for even greater change in all learning environments and to continue providing innovative access to empowering resources so that all learners have opportunities for successful futures.
This is a quick example of how to create leveled assessments with Google Forms. It's going to go fairly quickly, so leverage the pause and rewind features as needed. To begin, we're going to go to forms.google.com in Omnibar to create a new blank Google form. You can also do this from within your Google Drive. Once you've created your new blank Google form, give it a title in the upper left-hand corner. The title will then transfer to this first section. Here we have a sample leveled assessment that we've begun creating. We've put a title in the upper left-hand corner, and we've titled 4 new sections. To create sections within a Google form, click on this equal symbol on the lower right-hand corner, and you can create additional sections. Back up here in section 1, we've created a sample question with a correct answer and an incorrect answer. For response choice, you'll need to use multiple choice checkboxes or drop-down options. The reason for this is that when you click on these 3 dots in the lower right corner, you need go to section based on answer. When we select that option, we can send learners to a section based on their answer. For the correct answer, we're going to send them on to the next section, which is section 2. Either of these options would be good to select. For the incorrect answer, we're going to push them on to section 3. The reason for that is that section 3 is a support question if they are answering incorrectly on question 1. Down in section 3, we can put in go to section based on answer. If they continue to get an incorrect answer, we can have them submit the form so that they can get additional supports before retaking the assessment. If they answer correctly, they can go back to section 1 and try it again. We can also, in section 2, if they answer correctly, have them go on to section 4, which might be extension questions, to challenge them further. If they answer incorrectly, we can push them on to section 3. An example of this can be seen here in this leveled math assessment example for the Pythagorean Theorem. There are 8 sections to this leveled math assessment. The first section is for general learner information. Section 2 and section 3 are squared numbers and square roots because those are required to effectively use the Pythagorean Theorem. If we open the question on squared numbers, 12 squared is 144, which will push learners on to the next section. If learners answer incorrectly, they will go to section 4 where they can have additional opportunities to look and share their learning on squared numbers. If you are using the quiz feature within Google Forms, you can put in an answer key. In the answer key, you can provide feedback for correct and incorrect answers. Here for incorrect answers, we provided a link for learners to go and have additional learning on squared numbers. They can then come back and take the assessment when they are ready to share their learning again. Down at the bottom, we have finding missing side lengths of right triangles. If we open up this question, we can see that the correct answer will push them onto a real-world application question. If they answer incorrectly, they will go on to section 7, which is another opportunity to show their learning and understanding about missing side lengths of right triangles. If they continue to get answers incorrect, they will submit the form, and then they will have options within the Google Quiz feature to go in and look at additional information about finding missing side lengths of right triangles. For the responses on the spreadsheet, we can see the blanks are indicating that learners did not need to go on and answer a support question. We can also see farther along that learners didn't get opportunities to answer these questions because they unsuccessfully answered the first questions. So they needed to go in and have multiple opportunities to learn the content again before retaking the assessment. If you'd like to take a look at this sample level math assessment on the Pythagorean Theorem and take it yourself, you can go to this link at any time. You can also view the sample response sheet from the assessment using this link at any time.